Welcome to your weekly UAS news update. We have 4 stories for you this week. Skydio sanctioned by China, the Michigan Coalition of Drone Operators versus the University of Michigan lawsuit. We have more information on the DJI lawsuit, another one, and then the new possibly DJI goggles. Let's get to it. And first up, Skydio has announced via an email to their customer that they have been sanctioned by China due to selling products to Taiwan. According to the CEO Adam Bry, Skydio aircraft batteries are produced in China and supply has been cut off immediately. As a response, Skydio is limiting new drone shipments to only 1 battery per drone with no current option to purchase more batteries. Skydio expects to have a new supplier of batteries in the spring of 2025, meaning that those with an X10 on order right now are likely to only receive 1 battery with the aircraft until the middle of next year. We'll keep you updated if we see more. Next, the Michigan Coalition of Drone Operators is suing the University of Michigan. Now, we previously reported on this, and we reported that the university is restricting drone flights over campus, which they don't have the jurisdiction to do. According to the lawsuit, state law MCL 259.305 does not allow the university to create or enforce its own drone regulation, which they are doing in this case. This isn't the first time that the Michigan Coalition of Drone Operators is suing an organization for state preempted laws, with the coalition winning a suit against the Ottawa County in 2022. So the first hearing for the suit will be on December 17th at 1 p.m. in Lansing, Michigan. So if you want to sit in, go ahead and do so. Next up, 2 more documents have been released for the DJI versus DOD lawsuit that we talked about in the last couple of weeks. These 2 documents are declaration from Zhen Wei and Zheng Tao, both stating that they are not the same person as patents that are filed under the Chinese National Defense Engineering Research Institute, which is similar to DARPA. In the lawsuit, DJI alleges that the DOD used the same names from these 2 individuals on patent as a reason that that DJI is a Chinese military company. As it turns out, it's not the same people, or so they state here in an affidavit. That doesn't change really anything that we talked about last week. The lawsuit is still the same, but potentially highlight some sloppy research on the part of the DOD when they put DJI on that list. And we'll keep you updated if we see additional documents pertaining to the case, and I'm sure there will be. And last up are some new goggles leak from DJI. These goggles are rumored to be called the Goggles N3, not 3, just N3. Changes include a new design, looks like a 54-degree field of view, 1080 screens, and OcuSync 404. Rumors has it that these goggles were to be launched this week, but obviously that did not happen. So revised rumors put it possibly next week. So we'll see. We haven't yet seen any announcement from DJI, but we'll keep you updated if we do. And now some community news. We have results for the October drone photo contest. Stefan Matusko is the winner with this great photo taken with the Mini 3 Pro. And that's it for you this week. We'll see you later in the community for happy hour and on Monday for our live Q&A. See you soon. This week, Skydio sanctioned. Skydio sanctioned. I'm going to do that intro again. And then, nope.